Everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and today we are doing this Trailblazer quest. So if you have completed this or if you are going to complete this, there is a chance that Salesforce will give you a free Agentforce t-shirt. But again, we are not doing this for the t-shirt. We are doing this just to have knowledge on Agentforce. This is the new AI which Salesforce has released. If you are aware, in the recent Dreamforce event, they have talked about Agentforce a lot. So, just to be familiar with how AI is imprehended in this uh, Salesforce Trailhead, we'll be doing this Trailblazer quest, that is built with Agentforce quest. So let's get started. Our first is task. It is totally a total of 48 minutes, and I'll just give the link of this trail mix in the description box as well. Our first task is get hands on with Agentforce. So again, it is saying the same thing, that first 1,000 trailblazers who will complete this quest will be eligible to receive an Agentforce t-shirt. So if you win this, please let me know in the comment section so we can congratulate you all. Then we will be going to this link, that is built with Agentforce quest giveaway terms. Let's read out those terms. Sorry, let's open it again. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, I'll open it in this tab itself. I guess some yeah. So this is in different language. Let's read this one out. That first 1,000 eligible individuals who will complete this trail mix and create a custom photo overlay to create your celebrate your new skill, and post the custom photo on LinkedIn or Twitter using the hashtags, that is built with Agentforce and SF giveaway, and even complete the entry form will may receive Salesforce Agentforce t-shirt, approximate retail value of $15, and we should be have at least 18 years of age, excludes government personnel as well as employees. So you can read all of this. We are not doing it for this one, but obviously it's a plus one only. I'll mark this as complete. Okay, we have read the giveaway terms. Then we need to register for Discover Agentforce. That is what AI was meant to be on Salesforce Plus. Let's open this one up. Let's wait for it to open. So okay, we need to register for this, that is Discover Agentforce, what AI was meant to be. Event is on 29th of October. I hope you all tuned in. Let's register. I hope you all tuned in. Let's register. So you can just click on that register button. I'll register that as well, and then after it I'll mark it as complete. Then we have next as a link, that is Read AI Agents, the Future of Business Application blog. It's a blog which will be talking about AI future and its business applications. So you can go through it. It is talking about how AI is using deep language understanding, reasoning and decision making, lack of access to private data, no built-in ability to take action, and more. So you can just go through this blog so you will understand what more they are doing and how they are doing it. I'll just mark it as complete as I have gone through it already. Now let's target to complete this module, that is Agentforce Agents quick look. Let's open this. In this, we'll be talking about how these autonomous apps use LLMs and context to assist customers and human agents. So it is only having one unit of 5 minutes, that is Discover Agentforce Agents. So let's start. First is Meet Agentforce Agents. So Agentforce Agents are autonomous proactive applications designed to execute specialized tasks to help employees and customers. And these Agentforce Agents use large language models, which is known as LLMs, to analyze and understand the full context of customer interactions or even an automated trigger. then reason through the decisions on the next steps autonomously. Here you can see that's how the agent force out of the box looks like, which is easy to customize and deploy with clicks, not code, and they can set it up in minutes and is easily scalable and work around the clock across any channel. Service agent also replaced the traditional chatbots with AI. Sales development representative also engaged with prospects 24/7. So that's how we are having different AI, which has replaced the earlier functionalities. You can check this video out as well. Then we have key components of an agent. That is what is its role. So this defines the job of agent force or agent that needs to be done and the broader goals the agent should achieve on our team. Knowledge, the data in agent needs to be successful. This could include company knowledge articles, CRM data, external data via data cloud, public websites, and so on. And then we talk about actions, the goals an agent can fulfill. This is the predefined task an agent can execute to do its job based on a trigger or instruction. For example, it could run a flow, prompt template, or apex. Then we have guardrails, the guidelines an agent can operate under. These are known as guardrails, and these can be natural language instructions telling the agent what it can and can't do, when to escalate to a human, or could come from built-in security features in the Einstein trust layer. Then we have channels, the application where an agent gets work done. It can be your website, CRM, mobile app, Slack, and even more. Then if we talk about Agentforce reasoning engine, that is the brain of an agent. So its key features are multi-turn chat, topic classification, instructions and actions, knowledge retrieval, and searchable public data. Then how this agent will take an action. The agent first receives a trigger, that which can be a conversation with an employee or a customer or any change in the data. Then agent use the large language model and natural language descriptions to identify the context and select a topic that will fit the best to for it to get its job done, including the scope, the data required, and necessary conditions. Then, depending on the task, an agent selects and changes action. These actions are executed via flows, Apex classes, APIs, or even direct prompts. Agents dynamically plan and execute tasks while strictly following predefined guardrails, that is, the guides under which this agent should run. And they also have built in mechanism for harm and toxicity detection using the Einstein trust layer, ensuring they avoid engaging in inappropriate or harmful activities. So let's check. First question is, we are doing the quiz now. What is a topic classification? So first option is a type of large language model. Second is a group of user utterances based on predefined description. Third is a subset of companies, brand voice, and guidelines pulled from trusted business data, a sublayer of the Einstein trust layer. So B option should be the correct one. Let's come to the second question, that is, which of these can serve as agent force agents guardrails? First option is a list of triggers for conversations. Second is natural language instructions telling the agent what it can and can't do. Third is built-in security features in the Einstein trust layer. So B and C should be the correct answer. Let's check. And let's check. So we are done with this module, that is Agentforce Agents quick look. Let's close this and come back here. This one is completed. Our next is project, that is quick start, build your first agent with Agentforce. Even now I'm able to see this new button, so I did nothing, I just did the hard refresh. And whoever doesn't know what is hard refresh is, you just need to click on Control Shift R, or if you are using Mac you can do Command Shift R. That is, it will delete the caches, and then you can just go again in setup and search for agents, and then you need to open that Coral Cloud Experience agent, and you need to make sure that you are opening using this builder button only. So I'll close this and I'll go to new button and then new topic. I'll enter all the details which are mentioned here, that is experience management, and then classification description, that is this topic addresses customer inquiries and issues related to booking experiences at Coral Cloud Resort, including making reservations, modifying bookings, and answering queries about experience details. Then we have scope, as the agent's job is to assist users in navigating and managing bookings for different experiences offered by Coral Cloud Resort, ensuring a seamless customer service experience by providing accurate information and resolving issues promptly. Then we have instruction, as this I'll just copy paste it and without wasting any time, I'll just click on next and then finish. Okay, and now I have to click on this experience management topic and click this topics action sub tab. I'll open this and then here it is, this topics action. Now I need to create new action, say that is flow. Okay, add action, reference action type is flow, then we'll click on next and select get experience detail. Okay, here we need to select, that is get experience detail. Then for experience name we need to click on check require input, so we can leave it as it is, then click on next. For experience name require input, then for experience record, that is show in conversation, then we can click on finish and test out the agent in the conversation preview if necessary. Confirm that you are about to use Einstein by clicking on the got it sidebar. Okay, so it has not came for us, and okay, so this is the okay. We can refresh this. Okay, let's check its. I'll go back to this. Its topic action is this. Okay, so after this we need to enter this, that is can you let me know more about the full moon beach party experience in this. I'll enter this. It's analyzing our request. Okay, it's good. We can see it's like a debug logs, that is good. Now we can add an action to generate a personalized schedule as well. With this topic section sub tab still selected, we need to click on new action and then add prompt template as the reference type. So we'll do this and then prompt template, we'll click on next. Okay, we need to select reference action as well, that is generate personalized schedule. This is correct. Then we leave the other option as it is, and the next we have to give this. Okay, and then contact input instructions are this. We can leave the prompt response output as it is and then click on show conversation, then finish. Okay, now we need to add another action which is of flow type, that is get customers detail. Let's do that. Add action flow get customers detail, and then we need to, for email we need to do require input, for member number as well, and for contact that is show in conversation. Okay, we'll click on finish. Changes are saved. Now we will add another action, that is of flow types of get sessions, and for experience ID start date we will click on require input, and for sessions that is show in conversation. So flow get sessions, click on next. Experience ID is require input, sessions are show in conversation, and start date is require input. Let's click on finish and changes are saved again. Now we'll do it, we are going to do this for create a booking. Again, it will be of flow type, and flow would be create experience session booking. Contact ID should be require input, guest should be require input and collect data from user. Session ID should be require input and booking output should be show in conversation. So we'll do this, that is flow session booking. We'll click on next. Then contact ID should be require input, booking should be show in conversation, require input and collect data from user, and output message is also show in conversation. We'll finish this and it's also saved. Now provide the agent with instructions to pick the correct action. Click the topic configuration sub tab. Okay, and then at the bottom add instructions 5 times. This will create 5 blank instruction text below boxes below the pre-populated first instruction. We have to leave first instruction as it is, then we'll be copying the second instruction. Let's go back, add instruction, first is there, second we have copy pasted, then third again copy pasted, then fourth, now fifth, and this one is the last. So let's save this. After this we need to activate it. We'll just we have saved it. Now I'll click on this activate button. It has been activated. Now we need to test the agent. So we'll click on refresh on the conversation preview and enter this. I'll just refresh this and I'll enter this. So hopefully its response should be much better and updated from the last one. Okay, so it has asked me for this email address and membership number, so we have given it this. Now it is giving us the information. Lastly, it is asking us, would you like to know the available sessions for this experience? So the get session booking is responding, so I'll copy paste this. Session, it's asking us 30 slots are available. Then we'll say, can you recommend any other experiences for me? So you can see get session is running here. And generate personalized schedule has been also given response to us. So we can click on back arrow to go to the setup. Here they are saying, so let's go back, and then we can add a permission set to the agent's user profile. So we can search for users and then select the Einstein service agent user. I'll directly search for this user here. Here it is. Let's open it. Then we need to permission set assignment and click edit assignment, and we need to assign this permission set service agent permission. So I'll click here and just click on edit assignment. I'll search for this, click on here and add it. Then we are going to the Coral Cloud site and going to the builder of Coral Cloud site again. Then on the components, okay, I'll search for all sites here and then going to the builder, and in components I need to search for embedded messaging. So here it is where we want us to drop over the book and experience of a lifetime section. So over here, okay, so I'll just drag it and drop it here. It has been added. I'll just publish it, and again then we want view the agent as a customer, so we'll go on the experience builder menu and select view Coral Cloud to open the published Coral Cloud site. So it's published now. I'll go here and here we'll click on view Coral Cloud. We need to click on the messaging icon and then give this prompt. So this is how site is looking. Message icon is there. I'll click on this. I'll just type in that and go. It will again ask us for email address. Let's let it give some response. So you can see its name and the way we were seeing the preview, it's a bit different from that. We can end the conversation from here as well. So we need to type now this message. So it's asking us for email address and this, so we'll give this. Rest of the question we will be answering by ourselves. Would you like to know about available session or need help with anything else? Let me know about available sessions. I am not interested in underground cave exploration sessions. What all sessions do we have? Let's see what it responds. If does it have an answer for this? So yes, so you can see that's how it's being responsive, and we can just go back and now we'll click on the verify step because we have completed it. So I'm just verifying, waiting for the verification steps. I hope everything is completed. So this one is completed. Let's go back to the trail mix and let's see what all we are left with. That is create and share your custom photo overlay to celebrate your new skills. So you can do that and share it on the LinkedIn or Twitter, and then complete with the built with Agentforce quest form. So I'll mark this as complete because I'll be doing that, and after that I'll be clicking on this survey. Let's and just click on this and survey will open and you can complete that survey. I'll mark it as complete. So that's how we have completed this trail mix or trailblazer quest of build with Agentforce. I hope you learn that how we can build an agent force and use it in your future projects. And if you do, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you do have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Stay tuned.